Hi guys, I will teach you how to look like this in the YouTube. I just posted today. This. How I just post this. This how I just post. And I will teach you guys how. First, like and subscribe and First, go in the Roblox. If you have a Roblox, go in here.
Ewan ko sila kung magdadala ng maleta.
Go in just here.
Yung maleta kong pula eh.
Here.
Di ba nalala mo yung maleta nating maliit? May malaki ko na
I have to.
sinundo mo ako sa airport. Dala ko. Kinuha
I
na
got
yung gamit niya.
This trending meme animations. Just type it, okay? Just type it. I will wait. Just type it. Chat. Just type it. Just type it. Okay? Just type it. And just type it. Just type it. I want to. If you join, there's an animations. If you like, go into your friends. You cannot. Just go to your friends. Just go to your friends. Okay,
Welcome to McDonald's. We are delighted to take your orders. Please proceed to the next speaker.
Please order the next speaker. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Sa mga a la carte na 10-piece chicken nuggets. Paano pong sauce? Barbecue.
Okay. Loading. Let's wait. Let's wait.
Tapos isa pong yung twister fries na for sharing. Pa-order na ka? Apo. Tama na ba na? Yes po.
Case.
Yes po.
Case.
Wala po.
Case. Let's wait.
Ay, meron
Loading
ako yung
is
pag-ibig loyalty pero hindi yan.
Loading may take some time.
Ayun, sige yun meron.
Yep. Let's give it. Yep. Hey. Just click and that's play one. Only play one. Stay attention. Yep. Click everyone. And chat. See. You can say thank you so much. I teach you how. Okay.
Grabe ka naman, hindi loyalty.
Okay, chat. If you click and just put your friends, thanks you so much. Bye. Bye.